In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt in Retool 2026, step by step. To get started, open Retool in your browser. Once the platform loads, take a moment to orient yourself with the interface so it's easier to follow along. We'll be working from the main area of the dashboard, and everything you need is accessible from the top section of the screen. From the top toolbar, look for the option labeled Resources. This is where Retool lets you manage the different services and connections your apps can use. If you've never set one up before, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and once it's done, you'll be able to use AI features much more easily inside your Retool workflows. Go ahead and click on Resources. After that, look for the option to create something new. Click on Create New and then choose Resource. This tells Retool that you want to add a new external service or integration to your workspace. Next, you'll arrive at the page where Retool asks you to select a resource type. This is an important step because Retool supports many kinds of resources, from databases to APIs and cloud tools. On this screen, look for the AI category. This is where Retool groups its artificial intelligence integrations, so it helps narrow things down quickly. Once you find AI, click on OpenAI. This will open the setup page for the AI resource. At this point, Retool is asking you to define the connection so you can recognize and manage it later. You'll first need to add a name. Choose something clear and practical, like a label that helps you identify what this resource is for. Keeping names organized is especially helpful if you plan to create multiple AI connections in the future. After naming the resource, add a description. The description isn't just optional housekeeping. It can help you or your team remember the purpose of this specific setup, especially if you return to it later or use similar resources for different projects. A short explanation of what the resource is intended for is usually enough. Once the name and description are in place, click Create Resource. That completes the setup process shown here and creates your OpenAI resource inside Retool. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to keep your resource names consistent and easy to understand. That makes future app building much smoother, especially when you start connecting queries, workflows, or AI-powered features to the resource you just created. And that's it. You've now gone through the basic setup for using ChatGPT in Retool.